In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update contacts subscriptions in HubSpot. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is the central hub for all your CRM needs, and from here we're going to dive into the steps that will help you manage your contacts subscriptions effectively. Once you've made your way to the homepage, your next move is to log into your HubSpot account. You can find the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, make sure you have your password recovery options set up to avoid any disruptions. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. From the home dashboard, make your way over to the CRM section. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's essential for keeping track of all your communications with your contacts. By clicking on CRM, you open up a treasure chest of tools HubSpot offers for managing your interactions. Now, within the CRM section, you need to locate the Contacts tab. Clicking on the Contacts tab will open up your list of existing contacts. This list will show you not only names and email addresses, but all the important information you've collected about them. From here, the next step is to choose the contact whose subscription settings you need to update. Simply scroll through or use the search bar to find the contact you're looking for. Click on the contact's name, and this opens up the contact's detail page where you have access to all the specifics related to that individual. With the contact details in front of you, look for an option that says View Subscriptions. This link or button often lives near the top of the contact's profile page. Click on it, and it will take you to a screen where you can see what subscriptions this particular contact is currently a part of. Once you have access to the subscription details, you will see Subscription Status. This is where you get to manage and update the subscription settings. Clicking on Subscription Status allows you to make changes, enabling or disabling subscriptions based on what is appropriate for this contact. And there you have it, a straightforward way to update subscriptions for your contacts using HubSpot. It's crucial to keep this information current to ensure that your communication with your contacts remains relevant and engaging. By managing subscriptions effectively, you enhance your relationship with your clients, making sure that they receive only the communications they care about. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tutorials.